In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Q60D best settings. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your Q60D. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best picture quality for any sort of content. So this video is not aimed at anyone in particular, regardless of which type of content you want to consume. So if it is for gaming, HDR content, whatever, you will get the most accurate picture quality possible and you will be able to enjoy it on any sort of content. First of all, I recommend changing to the movie picture mode. This is because out of the box, the movie picture mode delivers the most accurate image and allows for the most customization. If you want slightly brighter content, you can choose dynamic. However, this is going to be slightly less accurate, so keep that in mind. So choose between a lot of brightness but slightly less accurate with dynamic, or more accurate but slightly less bright with movie. So when you choose any of these, you will then be able to go over to these settings and choose the expert settings category. In here, you will first see brightness. As much as I want to recommend a specific amount, like 37, as you can see in this picture, at the end of the day, it's going to be down to personal preference. If you get eye strain from high amounts of brightness, it is important and critical that you lower this accordingly. So find a sweet spot according to the place where you are watching TV. Maybe if your room is too dark, you might need to bump it up. If it is too bright, you might need to adjust it accordingly, and so on. Afterwards, you will have contrast, sharpness, color, and tint. I recommend setting it to these values, 45, 0, 25, and 0 respectively. This will give you the most accurate image possible without messing too much with the colors. The sharpness will be at 0. However, if you like very sharp content, then increase it slightly. It's mostly down to personal preference, but these are some good-to-go recommendations. Contrast enhancer should be turned to off. And then if you go down, you will find gamma. This should be set to 2.2 for a good balance. And then finally, peak brightness at high. This will deliver the brightest image possible, allowing you to see most content with ease. You have stuff like color space setting, shadow detail, and color booster, plus smart calibration. Most of these can be set to automatic or off. And these settings will allow you to get a very accurate and good, very bright image quality. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up your Samsung Q60D best settings. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.